Greetings to all in creation. This is Aurora, Mother of New Creation, also known as Aurora Diamond Rainbow Morningstar, here to inform the world that terrorism is a terrible act, and the beings who closed down my website from the Bikram group here only brought me here to end the identity theft alongside William Forsyth, that himself stole my stuff from Atlanta, to permit to the fraud here, Caitlin Jane Gretzinger, to steal my American citizen name and all my items, my art, my website, domain for auroramotherofnewcreation.com. They informed me while I was at William Forsyth's house from Bank of America that they double charged me for one of my nights at Hollywood and Highland Hotel and Hostel in Hollywood. When all the while they were sending all these people from New Jersey to con me, and like they met me downstairs, took me to hotel rooms at La Brea Inn with my ID front and back copied, but a fake immatriculation car plate in order to prove that the real me is actually fake, so that they can keep up the fraudulent system going on here, where they're always trashing me every day and every night with all the yoga people, saying that the real me is fake, and then they're giving me identity to some clone person. And I've been told this information repeatedly by people who said, oh, we spoke to you at this bar in March, but I was not at that bar in March. They're like, Aurora, right? So as they continued this identity theft fraudulent situation, they had a huge explosion in the port of Beirut yesterday. So my cousin Malouf, the 911, those that are against twin flame unions, is no longer talking to me now because he decided to grant my Archaea identity to someone else because he's a jealous fat kid who has nothing in life besides spy on me since he's a kid and abuse me. And as soon as I married David, he started to fraud and terrorize both of us and send terrorist attacks to our home in 95 Island Circle. And I don't know why David makes pretend that he has dementia when he doesn't. So if anyone is drugging David Rogers now, please stop it. If all the con frauds are going there for orgies, etc., stop it. David Rogers Abbott, you gotta step up. Those are the people who made the Twin Towers explode. And if you don't step up, it means you're part of the terrorists yourself, dearest. And I command Will Cox and Wilshire to gather their strengths to stand up for myself, Aurora Diamond Rainbow Morningstar, whom you all met and know, starting Shasta, California, when my contract came down from heaven in front of Miguel Lamboy, Archangel Michael, who is my witness. And if he lies about this, he's a liar. If he lies about the fact that he deleted personally all my and his work as Final Events Energies updates for all our transmissions, as at first as Dima T, and then in the end I got Aurora. I told him that was supposed to be the final events, but instead he kicked me out of the house because Tatiana Pushkina called from Los Angeles, started to put some scorpionic magic alongside with Ruth Shaw, with Armella. So it was a bunch of Jewish Russian geeks with the Germans and the bishops here from this island, and Lee Wood, who brought me back here to continue frauding me, stealing everything from me, and putting me under like conditions. Like, if you don't fuck this guy tonight, we're gonna keep robbing you. And up until they made my capital and the center of the world for the free people, the only democracy in the whole Middle East, and the only hope for Europe, Americas, and the Middle East for full planetary liberation is Beirut, because it's a democracy. The Phoenix, that's why we as a family from Tiberias moved from Tiberias to Beirut, in order for me to come as the promise for the promised land, to serve as who we are. We are a messenger, the Phoenix. And now they had an explosion at the port of Beirut, which is the base where all the ships go. So that's where all the Phoenicians leave from, and that was the last location I was at St. George Port before I came here. So we, as the only nation that's a democracy, and we use the American dollars, and we have a lot of Christians who spend all their days in caves underground praying the Holy Rosary, for all the Phoenicians all across the world, such as myself, who have a message, to be able to be clear about our message and never lose faith in God that unites us all, and in God we trust, and God save the United States of America. I mean, It's on every US dollar. So I don't know why the United States of America is not serving me, this person here at Hinchies right now in flesh and bones, my identity for Aurora Diamond Rainbow Morningstar. They sent me again a fraudulent identity for my Bank of America account today, which I rebuke. I need Aurora Diamond Rainbow Morningstar. If the government is in trouble because Trump has problems with Russia, I recommended that Bank of America step up. Because from the financial system we can resolve everything, because money is love. That's the future. So to all the fake attempts and all the fake Dima Tabrawis and all the fake Aurora Diamond Rainbow or the fake Aurora Morningstar or the fake whoever's going on out there, I now, from the Galactic Confederation of Light, from where I was served my contract here at Hilton Head Shores at Tanglewood, March 7, 2017, you can go down to Gringos and ask Adi and her partner Ariel, and he will tell you that I am that girl. Nobody else is Aurora, and if they're lying, if Adi's playing a game, I rebuke her now with the whole confederation, all archangels and the all in creation, the angels, and we now rebuke Islam from creation, cut cords with all this, eternally and beyond. This is Jesus' planet, and I am Jesus' fire, and I reclaim AuroraMotherOfNewCreation.com and my full identity for Aurora Diamond Rainbow, and then if Lucifer Morningstar marries me, then I become Aurora Diamond Rainbow Morningstar. So thank you very much, and if Lucifer wants to stay with the frauds, that's up to him, but I will not ever stand for this. I reclaim all my art and everything back, and I forgive you, Louisiana, Texas yoga teacher. You tried this morning to fraud me. You tried to ring me in as who I'm not because you have issues, because you're not on mission, and you should get a session, sweetheart. Aida at least has a heart, and she can tell you what's up. Namaste and blessings. This is the only and one and only Archaea Rainbow Aurora, and I did the whole work, and I started on my feet scrubbing floors in Florida. You can ask Connie Zacher, you can ask anybody at Earth Origins. I did every smoothie from scratch, every salad from scratch, every roll, and then everyone at the beach, and every yoga lesson, and every plasma surgery and Reiki and healing. So you cannot steal me away from me, no matter your political power or your pussy fraud power and your black magic powers. Namaste and blessing. Mwah! 213-509-4572, and I would appreciate some love donations, because to keep me on the streets in South Carolina and cause terrorist explosions, that's not the aim of the United States of America. We are the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, land of the brave, home of the free, and our right as a constitutional nation is joy and happiness and freedom. So any anti-American fraud American here still trying to fraud me to protect someone else, by Wilshire commands, denaturalize, deport. Thank you, because this is a land for the free beings and the real people at heart. And if you cannot accept me as your mother of new creation, you have issues, dear.